Monday, Monday, You had a thing for today, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it today?
Oh, it's a movie Monday.
Movie Monday.
You need to warn me. I drew a blank.
No, I don't need to warn anybody. Anyway, yeah, it's a Monday and not cosplay related, but whatever. We have just seen Coco, and I didn't cry as much as like I could have. So, but it's good.
And a few just very loud sniffles and staycation.
I don't know why I don't travel with tissues to the cinema. Anyway, so Monday, we were supposed to do some Lifecasting today for my university project. That didn't happen because that's contingent on other students, and as we all know, students are the worst.
Yeah, just terrible.
Confirmed. We are both students and we are both the worst.
I did turn up 3 hours late today.
Well, turning up is half the battle. The rest is blue and green lasers. Or no, it's red and blue lasers. Yeah, that's that. Nothing interesting happened today. I have to go home and edit last week's vlog now because I've been very bad and it's already night time. But at least the park is pretty, which won't show up on this camera because I don't invest in good equipment. See you tomorrow. Humans are dumb. Why would anybody be a human? Ugh. They torture rodents. You know. Ha ha ha! Ah, ha! Okay, that's Ah ha! Ah! Ah! Okay, we're gonna have a little break now. What even did I just do that with? I want to double check. It was a blunt instrument, so it's not going to be... But was it a dirty one? I just want to double check. I think it was you. No. None of you are covered in blood. Okay, I don't know what it was.
What's up?
I've just stabbed myself.
Bad?
No,
not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Just painful.
Yeah. Super Coogan 70. Hello, thank you for joining us. I'm afraid this isn't our usual. Oh, okay. Put the pressure on it, Hayze. Get some pressure on a band-aid. Don't worry. I've got a pack of them. What I'm actually worried about is because of where it's gone in. I'm worried about tendon damage. I think it was this that I did it with, which is dirty. Thankfully, I have. I'm up to date on my tetanus. Actually, you know what? Guys, I completely forgot. Medic! You know the scary thing? Super Coogan? Kongan, sorry. I am a medic. I am to stop the bleeding pressure. I am a qualified, I am literally a certified first aider. The observant ones of you might have just noticed it's gone to a different day, despite everything looking the same, basically. I'm still kind of dressed the same, although I'm in pyjama bottoms right now. But I actually just wanted to talk about what just happened at the end of the last day. You'll have seen blood, actual blood, and it happened on stream. You had to clean up a fair bit of it, and there's actually a trail of blood starting like here and going around the studio because I slipped with my tool and got a good centimetre into my hand, into the palm of my hand. Now, injuries are not injuries for me are not uncommon. So I'm used to be able to look at an injury and go, is it worrying or is it not? That was on the cusp of being worrying or not, because one of the ways to tell if you've cut yourself too deep to be able to deal with it yourself is if it's gone through the dermis, if you can see additional layers beneath your skin. And because of the oblique angle it had gone through, because it was on the palm of the hand, you can barely see it there, but it went laterally across. It's hard to tell how bad it was. And yeah, I cut myself today with a scalpel, so there's another thing, because I'm really bad at this. But because it's the hand also, I have to worry about the tendons and nerves that are there, because there aren't any, as I understand it, there's no muscles around here. They're all in the arm, and it's all tendons that make it move. So I was worried about hurting one of my tendons. So I left it overnight, and in the morning I went to see if I had any like weakness in here, and that gives me no pain, putting pressure on like that. There are ways that I can move it, which does hurt, but it seems like it is only a flesh wound, so I'm very, very lucky. What I aren't lucky for, I'm still abysmally tired. University really took it out of me today because I got screwed over on my project, and I'm not able to progress it until tomorrow, which puts everything back by a day, and my friend's project back by a day. So we're just going to be in here in the studio again. I'm not even going to progress Krombopulous Michael because I need to base coach it. I still haven't base coached Crombo Michael, and that has to be done soon. But I just haven't. It hasn't been a good enough day, and I haven't had the time in the morning. So. Let's do an actual vlog. And what was all that about yesterday? Well, we were lifecasting someone's arm, and we are now going to crack this open and see if there is an arm in there.
Oh my gosh.
If there is literally an arm in there, this isn't, we can't be arrested for this. This was done entirely of their own volition.
Yeah, it was consent.
Yeah, there was consent, yeah. Maybe we'll find his thumb. Right, let's do this. So, more time-lapse, which weren't actually taken from stream. Stuff we have to do uni work. And what did we get done? We got the arm that we life cast moulded up. So that's going to take a while to set because it's quite a cold night, chilly night. I used some of the leftover silicone to repair some moulds, so those should be set by tomorrow, hopefully. Well, we've got a heater running, so the room will be quite nice. And now what are we doing? Well, we're going to stream tonight. And what am I going to do? Probably, I don't know, paint some road hole, then all some 3D printed improvise some 3D printed stuff, and finish this off a bit. But mostly, I'm just here to hang out with friends on stream because I like people who come stream. Well, it is Sunday, and it's been a bit of a weird week really. I've got lots of university work ahead of me and not enough behind me. But you know what? We're cosplaying again, which is the cool bit. So now it is relatively sunny for winter. So we are going to spray a base coat down on this costume before we get to paint it. I kind of hope it will be dry enough by the time stream time rolls around, but I don't think it will be. So on goes the compressor. Like with the last one, we're going to be using flex paint as our base, and we will then be sealing the flex paint or varnishing the flex paint, lacquering the flex paint with a faster dip to get rid of the gloss nature of it. So let's lay out the rest of this costume, and you know what, I'm just going to cut, you know what, we are going to get on with this. Here you can see me getting on with this, spraying it, battling the wind. I don't know if the wind's apparent in the time lapse, who knows. Either way,
onto the stream for the night, and that'll be this week. I have no idea what I'm doing on stream tonight, so you guys are getting a nice surprise, and I hope to see you next week. Please carry on sharing the videos, rewatching old videos, and help me get my numbers up. I need it again. Thanks. Goodbye.